Hey everybody, I am here with Giannis at the Dreadbox booth, and we are going to check out what's brand new. So, what do we got?
Hey, we got a couple of pedals, the Treminator, which is a tremolo. Actually, it's a very expressive tremolo, but I'll show you later. And we have also Raindrops, which is a stereo delay with some tricks on the sleeves. Like you can do shimmer, you can do like delay reverbs. He has some cool tricks. So
Cool.
yeah,
Cool. Let's hear it.
These are CV inputs where you can use them either with the reservoir pedals or with modular gear, or if you have an expression pedal that can translate the expression into CV input, you can use them to control the pedal. So here you can have a total control of the volume of the pedal, which applies to the whole thing. I mean, it even works without the pedal active, so you can use it as an active volume pedal.
Yep.
And here you can control various parameters of the pedal because there is a shortcut, and you can tell what this CV input controls. So you could control the rate, the depth, or anything via this input. And this is the LFO output, so you can actually send this somewhere else. And all the fades, I mean, all the motions of this goes directly out there, so you can actually play between these pedals.
And then the division is just
For the sub tempo, yeah. So you.
right. Gotcha.
Oh, yeah. Let me close the fade. Yeah. So if you go like.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah. And then it multiplies. Whatever you have tapped there. Yeah. So actually, this is inspired by how synths works.
Yeah.
Like,
totally.
yeah, you have a VCA and you try to control it. So it's inspired by this. I mean, the LFO we use, we have the exact same LFO in our synths.
Sure.
So
It's cool.
yeah, it made sense for us to do it. So Raindrops is a stereo delay. It's a true stereo delay actually, because you have separate stereo input and output. It's based on a hybrid chip. Let me show you a very quick. Oh.
Is this analog or digital?
It's hybrid, I would say. Yeah, it's based on CMOS technology, so you cannot say it's analog purely. It's digital. So you have the typical delay here, like give me which you can start doing weird stuff and feedback it, for example. But here you have some more tricks, as you have 3 separate delays. Now here we have a modulated delay. And you can control the LFO from here. You also have a filter for that. So you can add it, yeah. And so the first algorithm is the modulated delay, and then you have another one, which is the delay plus reverb, and the combination make it sound like a very, very huge reverb.
Sure.
So give me a very, very huge tail. You have a pitch shifter of the delay, and you have the choice of sending the feedback before the pitch shifter or after that. So if you send it before, you just get this result. And you can control the pitch. Or you can choose to send the feedback after.
Oh, weird. Yep. Yeah.
Like that. And it has that tails.
Well, there you have it, the latest from Dreadbox. So picking up some of the tech that you guys have built from the synth world, bringing it into pedals, doing some pretty cool, innovative stuff.
Yeah, that's our philosophy.
Sure. Yeah. So availability is what on these?
In a month or two.
Okay, month or two. Awesome. Do you know price point, or is that price point?
Price point is $199 for the Treminator and $249 for the Raindrops.
$199,
USD.
$249 USD, coming out in a couple months.
Couple months.
Couple months. Awesome. All right. Thanks so much.